The self-service provides students with the ability to search for courses, plan your schedule, and register for the upcoming semester. To log into the self-service portal, open My Queue and select Self-Service under the Application tab. Here is a one-stop shop for access to student planning, advising, and financial aid information during your academic endeavors. The student planning link allows you to search for courses, plan your terms, and schedule and register your course sections. Below are the 2 steps to getting started. The View Your Progress page provides a complete overview of your academic progress. This includes your required courses, completed courses, current grade point average, and degree information. On the second page, you're able to plan your degree and register for class. This is your schedule. If for any reason your current term does not display, you are able to click the arrows to change the term. The courses that say Registered on the left are courses you are registered for. The courses that say Planned on the left are the courses that are planned and still need to be added to your schedule. Before I show you how to register, let me show you how to search for courses. You can enter the course ID, course title, or subject in the search box. For example, enter the course ID, a title, or a subject. Courses with that course ID, title, or subject will display. Now that we've selected courses, let's complete the registration process. Here is a course you have not yet started. You can view multiple sections of the same course. You can also apply filters to the course sections to filter the available options. You will be able to see the day and time the sections are running and how many seats are available. Select Add Sections to Schedule. You can add multiple sections of the same course to your plan. Select Back to Plan and Schedule. The courses that say Planned on the left are the courses that are planned on your schedule but still need to be added. Once you are satisfied with your selection, click the Register button on the left under the specific course you wish to add. You are now registered for a section of the course. If you would like to register for all planned sections at once, or if you are trying to register for both a lecture and a lab, you can click the Register Now in the top right of the page to process the registration for all sections at once. But what if you made a mistake or you changed your mind? To remove a planned course on your schedule, click the X next to the section. Notifications are displayed on the top right-hand corner. For example, if you are unable to register, drop, or there is an error, you will receive it there. If you happen to receive an error message such as prerequisites needed, academic level mismatch, or if you have any other questions regarding the self-service portal, please reach out to the registrar directly at registrar@quinnipiac.edu or 203-582-8695.